If you ever need to see the mobile version of a website in Firefox, whether you're checking how a page looks on a phone, testing a layout, or just making sure a site is responsive, this quick method will save you a lot of time. And in this video, I'll show you the fastest way to do it step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful Firefox tips and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Firefox and load the web page you want to view. This can be any website, whether it's your own site, a blog, or an online store. Once the page is open, you have two easy ways to switch to the mobile view. The fastest method is using a keyboard shortcut. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl, Shift, and M at the same time. If you're using a Mac, press Cmd Option and M. As soon as you do that, Firefox will open responsive design mode, which simulates how the website appears on mobile devices. You'll immediately see the page shrink into a phone-like layout, and you can test different screen sizes from there. If you prefer using the menu, there's another simple way. Click the menu icon in the top right corner of Firefox, then go to More Tools and select Responsive Design Mode. That will bring up the same mobile preview interface. Once you're in responsive design mode, you can choose from different device presets, adjust the screen size manually, and even rotate between portrait and landscape views. This is especially useful if you want to see how buttons, text, menus, and images behave on smaller screens. You can also refresh the page while staying in mobile view to check changes as you make them. If you're a website owner, designer, or just troubleshooting a page, this tool is incredibly helpful because it lets you spot mobile issues without needing a real phone every time. And that's it. Now you know how to see the mobile version of a website in Firefox using either the keyboard shortcut or the menu option. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy browser tutorials and tech tips.